Now, during that period of time of the Antichrist, three things God will do for the remnant. Some will be raptured. Matthew chapter 24 verses 40 to 41. Some will be hidden in caves and in the wilderness. Revelation chapter 12 verse 6 and verses 14 to 16. And some will be martyred. Revelation chapter 13 verse 7. And Christians will be hated during the worldwide persecution. Matthew chapter 24 verse 9. How will they be hated? They will be ostracized and they will be treated as scum and despised. And the Lord Jesus counsels you to endure till the end during this persecution. And the Lord Jesus showed me that our chief persecutor are going to be the gay community. The LGBTQ community will be so incensed against the Christians because they will consider the Christians as a hindering force for them to be accepted into society. See, today, this community is lobbying governments all over the world to be accepted. That same-sex marriage should be endorsed and become legal all over the world. And it is the Christians who are opposing this very much all over the world. And because of the Christians, this community is still going behind doors. So who is their one enemy? None other than the Christian community. Let me give you some recent information that took place. 2 months ago, BBC News reported that the Ethiopia religious group were very angry over a US tour company that specifically organized a gay tour plan. So all the people who came in the tour were all gays. And the Ethiopian church, they protested to the government to block a planned visit by this US-based company that organized this gay tour. So who withstood them? It's the Christians. It's the church. And the LGBTQ community will begin a worldwide campaign against them, lobbying government to act against them by protecting gay rights. Let me give you another very recent incident. There's a pastor in Singapore, and he pastors a very fast-growing church, a very good friend of mine, and he's a very strong vocal against the gay community. So he had bought a Bible school in Wales, UK, and his strong stand against the gay community has been well reported all over the world, especially in England. So many members of Parliament of England are now pressurizing the UK government to revoke license to run the Bible school and kick him out of England. See, this will happen to you too. During such schism, campaign against Christians, now listen carefully. During such campaign against Christians, many Christians will backslide, fall away, and accept the gay community's rights to coexist, co-produce, cohabit. Christians will do that. In that day, two camps will be formed against Christians or among Christians. The righteous camp and the filthy camp. Christian community will split into two. This is in fulfillment of Revelation chapter 22 verse 11. There will be two camps. One, the church of Satan. Church of Satan are not the gays, Christians. And the other, the bride of Christ, the remnant bride. Revelation chapter 3 verse 9. Apostasy will take root even in mainstream Christianity. Now let me give you 3 latest information now. This happened just a week ago. Number 1. Mount Auburn Presbyterian Church in Cincinnati. On 30th June 2019, celebrated the Gay Pride Sunday church service. The church was decorated with gay pride flags and rainbow colored candles were put on the church stage. And a drag queen dressed in a purple dress with high heels and a glittering beard stood at the church entrance to welcome every visitor. And then this drag queen came up to the church, came up to the stage, instead of a sermon, read a book to all the children, written, a story written by a pedophile person. Now this happened in Cincinnati. That's why God is wanting you to have the Martyrs Conference.